Dave Kadinger, Muskego, Wisconsin.
What's this truck?
This is a 1986 Freightliner FLC 120. It has a 3406B model cat in it with a 13-speed, 260 wheelbase, 40-inch sleeper. We made the cab and the sleeper integral. When I purchased the truck, it was in the middle of Illinois. The people didn't even know they owned it. It had trees growing through the frame and through the mirrors, and it didn't have a sleeper on it. It was in really rough condition.
Like you couldn't even see it, sort of thing?
Right.
Wow.
They didn't even know they owned it. They had several trucks. And when I came back up to their office to let them know they owned one, they didn't believe me, and we went out back, and sure enough, and they did find the title for it, and then we got started working on it.
How long ago was that?
It's been done for 2 years, and it took probably a year and a half to build it.
Okay. Not as long as some. So were you purposefully looking for an FLC? Or?
Yes. The main thing was the cab was in good condition, to start with a good cab. The
trees kept it safe from the
yeah,
weather.
no, you weren't going to drive off with it. We had to drag it out and get the chainsaws out. But, I guess that's about it.
Have you worked it, or is it just a hobby truck?
Yeah, no, this one I'd like to work it more, but I'm in the construction business, and I just haven't had time. But I've taken it to Vegas with a load. I've been out to Virginia with a load, Kentucky, Indiana. So I've worked it a little bit. Well, I got like 13,000 miles on it. So I'm not a real trucker, no.
Did you grow up around FLCs, or what's...
No, not at all. Actually, K100 was my first truck, but I wanted to do something different that everybody else does. 359s, nothing against them, but I really like them.
Marmon, so
the Marmon, and I do.
We'll get to that one in a second.
Yes, well, there's a couple others in the hopper too, but
you just like different things.
Yeah, something different than everything else. That's all. Just a fan of trucks.